What's something people don't know about budget guitars? The Davis 38 is about to change your mind. Meet the Davis 38 acoustic guitar Cutaway. This sleek 38-inch beauty is perfect for every musician, from the absolute beginner to the seasoned player. Crafted with a solid spruce top, back and sides plus a rosewood fingerboard, it delivers rich, vibrant sound without the hefty price tag. But wait, there's more. Choose from two awesome package options. Package A includes the guitar, a gig bag, and a pick everything you need to get started. Want more? Package B throws in a capo and an extra set of strings. And the best part? It's all available for just P1, $499 to P2, $099, with an incredible 4.9 star rating. So what are you waiting for? Grab your Davis 38 acoustic guitar today and start your musical journey. Limited stock available, so don't miss out. Get yours now. Click the URL link below in the description.